Check out this easy mocha latte I've been making. It's really simple. Got a cup of boiling water, boiling hot water, instant coffee. I don't want to go too crazy. Cocoa. This is not the best stuff, but it will work. I like to try to get as much as I can on the spoon. You could add a little more, I guess. Mix this up real good. I mean, really good. Room for the mocha. All right, I like to mix mine up very well. Then, here's the trick. That's half and half. But you gotta shake it. Oh, you gotta shake it. You gotta shake it and shake it, shake it, shake it like there's no tomorrow. You just gotta shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Oh yeah, shake it. Oh, look at that. Woo-hoo. That looks delicious. Mocha latte. Easy. Thanks for stopping by, friends. Please subscribe to my channel. I sure appreciate it. Take care. I'll see you down the trail. I got a cup of coffee to drink here.